just to see what the vibes are that we're picking up on for the beginning of August. I hope everybody is doing well. This is your first time being at my channel. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell if you want to know every time that I post something. Alright. I'm going to be using the Deviant Moon deck, my favorite deck. And I just found out it took the man like 30-something years to complete this deck, which explains a lot because the artwork on this is sick. Yeah. I'm designing my own though. I don't know if I want to do like an oracle as well, because that creative intuition I be having be on fleek sometime, and if I can get it all on paper, man, I'll be a rich chick. Jeez. Let's see what we got. Alright, Spirit. What messages do you have for the collective, for their journey, to help them along? Spirit of light, spirit of love. Light and love, peace, joy. What messages do you have for the collective to help us along our journey? What advice can you give us? What can you give us? If y'all hear noise in the background, I have a full house. What messages of advice can you give us? Any of you are interested in burning sage and don't really know much about it? Y'all don't know. Y'all don't know. It is very beneficial. I love the smell of sage. And if you want a personal reading, hit me up. starseed.thecreator@gmail.com. You need help reading your birth chart? starseed.thecreator@gmail.com. You want to know stuff about your life path, like your north node, that kind of points you in the direction of what you should be doing within life right now? starseed.thecreator@gmail.com. But I can help you navigate through some of that stuff if you got some questions. You don't know everything in regards to that. All right, Spirit. Talk to me. What messages do you have for the collective? And make it plain, Spirit. I'm not using the Celtic cross. It's just a spread that I've created that works very well for me. So, okay. So we got the Five of Cups. Maybe y'all can see that. Somebody, possibly coming out of some sadness. Some frustration, aggravation. annoyed. Then we got the Four of Pentacles, holding on to your energy. Holding on to your energy. Holding on to the things that you've manifested. Might be holding on a little too tight though. Not really wanting to release. Hold on, Spirit. Not really wanting to open up. But you could be getting over something. You're trying to flow. Six of Swords. Trying to flow to your peace. Seven of Cups. May have options. May have options. Maybe a little confused because there's some fear somewhere or some things that are unknown. Some things that are hidden. And the Four of Wands. But there's love here. There's a foundation that's trying to be built. Which is weird because we have an energy here of holding on. We have an energy here of holding on to your energy, but there is, I'm going to clarify here, the Gilded Tarot. Tell me more about this Five of Cups energy, Spirit. Clarify. This energy of holding on looks like this man is just afraid here to let go. Maybe that has a lot to do with this moon energy, Piscean energy of the unknown. Maybe he's afraid to let go due to the unknown. And that's where that Seven of Cups and that confusion and everything is coming. Like I said, there's love here. Might have came out of a time, like I said, of being frustrated, annoyed, and aggravated. Tell me more about this Five of Cups. For the collective. Give me more information on this Five of Cups for the collective. Page of Wands. New passion, new start. So yeah, trying to get over some sort of sadness because there's a new passion, a new thing, a new beginning. Queen of Wands. Wow. Fire, fire, fire. Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. This is somebody that can maintain it all. This is somebody who has a lot of passion, has a lot of drive, and just seem like they never burn out. Jeez. Dying. Oh. Dying to something. Maybe there was a feeling of betrayal or something within the past, but the wheel, destiny is in your favor. It's turning in your favor. Instability is here. King of Pentacles. That is good. You're coming out of a state of crying over spilled milk with new vigor, new ambition, new passion, new fire. You know, dying to an old way of being. doing a transformation, going through a transformation, which is fated, which is destined. Give me more on this Four of Pentacles, Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, and Taurus, the Emperor. Okay, so governance. Could be dealing with someone that's in what you seem to be an authority figure, or this could be yourself, where you governing your life. Man, maybe that's why you're holding on so tightly. Wait a minute now, Spirit. Because you're trying to manage yourself, manage your life. What's good for you? Yep, Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles, finding your stability. That's Earth energy as well. Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. What did I say a while ago? Yeah. Page of Swords. Could have been some immaturity in the past, or you could be dealing with someone that's just not quite mature, and it could be you. It could be you. But the Emperor and the Queen of Pentacles, they are very much mature. So that's a totally separate energy. So you could be dealing with a child or someone with childish behaviors. Give me more on this Four of Pentacles. Maybe why we're not opening up. Why? Give me a why. Answer. Holding on. Nine of Cups. You trying to find your happiness. What makes you happy? Being the chief of your own life. Governing your own life. Not asking anybody but you. Hey! Give me more on this Six of Swords. What can you tell me about the Six of Swords? Okay. Three of Cups. Reconciliations. Moving to your peace. Reuniting. Reunions. Hanging out with friends. Chilling. You know, family, friends. You know, letting bygones be bygones. Just moving to that peaceful place with it. Give me more. What can you tell me more about the Six of Swords? Y'all, oh my goodness. Coming out of indecisiveness. Two of Swords. Jeez. Six of Swords again. Yeah. Just flowing. Flowing. All you gotta do is say yes. Ten of Cups. Happiness. You are moving. That is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. We have water here. And we are flowing. Okay. And then we had the Two of Wands that came up here at the end, having to make a choice. But looks like that choice has been made. Knowing where your happiness is, being the Emperor, flowing towards that thing, new passion. Give me more on the Seven of Cups. Why were we confused? Confused about what? Confused about what? The world and everything in it, Scarface. A completion of a cycle, of a karmic cycle. Maybe you couldn't see everything all at once. You know, the wheel is here. Couldn't see everything. It's not for you to see everything. Live in the moment, present moment. Completing the karmic cycle. Tired of doing the same thing over and over and over. And over and over and over and over. And ending up in the same type of situations over and over again. And you like, man, I don't even know if I want to do this again. You know what I'm saying? Because I keep ending up in the same situation over again. Yeah, because we had the Seven of possibly wearing false masks, not being honest, some lies here, not being honest with those that are around you, waiting for your ships to come in, you know, knowing that you've invested in something and you're waiting for your investments to come in the meantime, trying to balance life with the Two of Pentacles and justice in the end, fairness, completing that cycle, bringing you out of confusion, shedding enlightenment on that confusion. Give me more about this moon energy. I'm sorry, y'all, I might be going too fast. But yeah, we had the Seven of Cups here. We had a state of illusions, mind playing tricks on you, things that are just not just decisions, okay? A lot of choices, a lot of decisions, emotional decisions that you have to make. But you have to make these choices to complete this karmic cycle that you're trying to complete right now. At the end, if you find yourself in a pattern that is like repeating itself over and over, what I mean by that is like a relationship possibly, where you find yourself in the same type of relationship and you're like, why? Or you find yourself with the same type of friends, with the same type of people, or things just keep happening to you over and over again. You're like, why does this keep happening to me? The world says that you have learned your lesson that life was trying to teach you. You know, that you ended up in this situation because there is something internally within that kept bringing you back, and you kept manifesting these same people within your life. But when you find out what it is with that Six of Swords, and you say, okay, well, I done had enough of that, and I'm going to just move towards this way, I'm going to go that way, then you have completed that karmic cycle. Enough of wearing the false mask with the Seven of Swords. You have a Seven of Swords here, and that's not being honest with yourself and not being honest with the people that are around you. You know, probably holding in a whole lot of stuff. Or there could have been trauma within your past, and you learned to cope with things in a way that was not healthy for you or those that were around you, which resulted in lies that you was not really, you're not meaning to tell a lie, but you are essentially lying because you're not setting your boundaries, being clear about who it is that you are, moving forward though, waiting for your ships to come in, doing something new with Three of Wands. You made your decision, now, and now we're balancing life. We're balancing life and our emotions and the circumstances around us with the Two of Cups. I'm not the Two of Cups, the Two of Pentacles. And then with justice and fairness, Libra energy, balance, making calls on the things that need to be called out, being honest. The moon, give me more about the moon. What can you tell me about victory? Yes, there are things that were hidden in the subconscious, but being fearless, the Six of Wands speak of a victory. That's also fire. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, feeling proud of yourself. Hey, now maybe also feeling like you got a lot of responsibilities, a lot of burdens, a lot of things that you have to take care of, a lot on your back, a lot on your shoulders. And maybe that's why that moon was there, not possibly knowing how you was gonna get through that situation, because not everything is clear, not everything was illuminated at that time. But that's where faith comes in, and the Ace of Pentacles, a gift from the universe, a new opportunity, a new beginning to do something different from the way that you've been doing it. And then the Lovers, partnership, a union, a connection, that is here, that has manifested here on this planet, and maintaining strength, with that, these are some powerful energies that are coming through. Manifesting an opportunity for love and new beginnings, even when you don't know how. Having faith. And then we have the Four of Wands, that foundation that you're building. Page of Cups. It's a new beginning. It's a new start. It's new love. You know, maybe an apology is coming in there. You know, maybe, well, you know, I was a little, the page is young, you know, puppy, you know, never felt like this, never felt like this before. Yes, okay. And the Eight of Swords, coming out of that mental prison that you have put yourself in. And notice that I said that you put yourself in. No one done it but you. Cutting out things that are not serving you with the Queen of Swords. We got some air coming in here. Some Gemini, Libra, some Aquarius energy. Just shooting up in here. With the Knight of Pentacles is coming through. Knight of Pentacles. Take it slow, John Legend. Take it slow. Slow and steady. Build that foundation brick by brick and make every brick perfect to build your happy home, your foundation here. Put in the work with the Eight of Pentacles. You know what? That's it for that. Jeez, that is awesome. Let's get some messages from the animal deck of advice. That just, Spirit just, there you go. It's all on the table. Jeez. Made it so plain for you. That is awesome. That is awesome. This reading made me feel good. Alright. Words of advice, Spirit. What does the animals want to tell us? Okay, we got a parrot that wants to talk to us. Let sunshine revitalize your soul in color. Transform your world. Get out in the sun. Get out in nature. Water buffalo. Face life head on with courage and reclaim your brave spirit within you. Can be, I said the page is here. It's new. It's scary. You know, I'm surprised the food didn't pop out anywhere within this. And the hippo. Friends stand close by to shield you from life adversities. That's cool. You gain the love and wisdom that is passed from generation to the next. Y'all, oh my God. Fighting for love or ardent declarations may hide unfaithfulness. This whole reading talks about building a new foundation within love and it being kind of scary, you know, and this might not be with someone else. It might be within, you know, the greatest love of all is what you can do with yourself first. So that you know what it feels like whenever you meet that other counterpart for you. So, yes, this has been your reading. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the video, subscribe if you want to keep on, you know, vibing with me. Leave comments if you wish. I love you. Peace and light.